What's up, guys? Back with another video on the E92 335 today. I'm sorry if you guys could hear the wind, but it's a bit windy today. But today, as you guys saw by the title and thumbnail, today we're gonna be installing some, I think they're called COWL intakes or COWL intakes, something like that. But yeah, these are from Bergen Motorsports. I bought them used, but they only had like what 2,000 miles, something around there. But there are two of them, one for each side. Supposedly what it does is you could kind of say it's weight reduction, less plastic on your engine bay. And before I open this, check out that carbon fiber. Before I open this, excuse the dirty engine bay. I haven't been able to clean it, but yeah. So what this does, it basically goes right here. I don't know if you guys could see the pieces right here, right there. That's where they go, and you're basically able to run. You're basically able to run just the filters without all this plastic right here, all this big old piece, and you're able to hear your turbos much more. And if a cop wants to stop me and pop the hood and shit, it won't look like aftermarket. As you can see right now, the engine bay looks stock as shit. I don't have the intake fully mounted because we are going to be installing a engine intake in another video, or in this video, but I'm pretty sure in another video. But without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys how to install it and how it looks. First things first, guys, you're just gonna want to take out the screws on each side. It's only gonna be 4, and then after you take that off, you should be good. If you don't have this clip right here too, I'm not sure if it's a clip or another screw, but you also have to take this one out, but I didn't have it in my case. And but the ones right here on the sides, they're gonna be 8 millimeters. You should be easily able to take it off. And as you can see, this is the big ass filter that it comes with. I'm not too sure if I'm also supposed to take this off, this whole trim right here, but I kind of don't want to, because it has the little sensor for the hood. Every time it closes, the car knows that the hood is closed. And then does it look bad like that? I just cleaned it up and I think it should be good. Or I might take it off. If I do, it would probably be because of weight reduction, but nah, honestly I don't like how it would look if I take this all off right here and everything showing. Yeah, I think in my preference, I think I'm gonna just keep it on because it looks much cleaner. I'm gonna just clean it up. And yeah, so just clean it up, but before that you want to install them. Let's see. So in this angle, I'm not sure if you could see, but they're kind of, one side's thinner. You see how this side over here, it's thinner than this side. So as you could see, this one's gonna go like that. Oh shit, my bad, guys. It's gonna go like that. You know what I mean? If you don't, I'll show you. Oh, by the way, the screws that you took off to take the big trim off, you're still gonna need those. But I think it should go on like this. Alright guys, so I just finished installing one side. You do have to play with it a bit since it's what do you call this, like flimsy plastic, but it's perfect fitment, so it's the right fitment. You just gotta play with it. Try to put the bottom piece first, like put it in, and then kind of fold it downwards, and you should be able to get it in, and just go around it and tap it in. You almost don't even need these screws because it's so well put, but you could just put them just so you can have a cleaner look. And fuck, I forgot to get a thumbnail, but I'll get the thumbnail right now. If you guys want, I'll show you guys how to install the other side right now. So now I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to install it. If you guys have a little problem, you shouldn't have any problems. Fucking easy as install. And excuse my little janky setup. I need to buy another like suspension strut things. I don't know what you want to call them. I need one for the other side, so I don't want to risk getting my fucking head decapitated and shit. But without further ado, you want to get it like this. Look, check it out. This side is much wider or much taller than this side. This side is much thinner, and then these they already have a side that's thinner and thicker, like tall wise. So what you first want to do, you want to make sure you're putting it the right way. So as you can see, I got the thin side on my right and the thicker side on the left, and then you're gonna line it nice. And as you can see, I'm putting in the bottom piece first, and then kind of putting the corners in first, making sure the bottom piece is in the hole. And then look, just like that, kind of want to fold it and press it in. And after you press it in and it went in already, it sounds so wrong, but after it's on, you want to press the corners to make sure it's fully on, and make sure you're aligned for the screws that you just took off. And then you just put on the screws, but first put them on with your torque them with your fingers first, and then you could use the 8mm bolt. You don't even gotta tighten it that much because they're already pretty well put on with just the product itself. But just for extra safety and cleaner look, you can install them. But check it out. That's the finished product. I think it looks way better. I wish I should have put more attention to when I drove it with that on, but I'll see if there's a major difference. I'm gonna for sure be able to notice, but if there's not, it's all good. It's a cheap modification that a lot of E92s that I know of get on their cars. But if this bothers you, you could probably cut it, but I'm gonna just clean it, and I think it should look fine. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean it and it should be good. I could even also sometimes use that as a screw tray, you know, when I'm doing a little bit of engine work. I could just put the screws there, but it doesn't bother me as much. But I am gonna clean it, and I'll show you guys the finishing product. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I cleaned it up the best I could, and I did a little swiping right here, not right here because I'm gonna put the engine intake right now probably. That little plastic right here, those are my windshield wipers, so I gotta change them. It looks ugly, I know, but once I change them, they're not even gonna be there no more. But this is how your engine bay is gonna look after. Looks way better. If I notice something way different, I'll record it. I'll definitely record it, or I'll put it like in text if I noticed something different when I turned it on or when I started driving it. But if that's it for this video, a really short video for you guys, just in case you guys want to install that or are interested or thinking about it. That's basically how you do it. Very install, 10 out of 10 recommend. If you guys want to see the engine intake install, it's probably going to be uploaded as well, so go make sure to check that out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.